Kids Zone with Trishy.
Are you ready, friends? Get your arms ready. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. You could do all through the town. Pretend it's a road. The bus is going on a road through the town. All through the town. Doors on the bus go open and shut. Open and shut. Open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut. All through the town. The driver on the bus says, move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus says, move on back, all through the town. The blinkers on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The blinkers on the bus go blink, 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 all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The children on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The children on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 wah. Do a pretend cry, a pretend cry. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 all through the town. The mommies on the bus say, shh, 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 shh. The mommies on the bus say, shh, 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 all through the town. The daddies on the bus say, I love you, I love you, I love you. The daddies on the bus say, I love you, all through the town. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. All right, you want to read a story now? What kind of story shall we read?
If you take a mouse to school, he'll ask you for your lunchbox. When you give him your lunchbox, he'll want a sandwich and a snack for later. Then he'll need a notebook and some pencils. He'll probably want to share your backpack too. When you get to school, he'll put his things in your locker and take a look around. He might do a little math and spell a word or two. He'll even try a science experiment. Then he'll need to wash up. You'll have to take him to the bathroom. Once he's nice and clean, he'll be ready for his lunch. On the way to the lunchroom, he'll see some building blocks. He'll build a little mouse house and make some furniture out of clay. Then he'll need some books for his bookshelf. He'll start by writing one of his own, so he'll need a lot of paper. He'll probably use up all your pencils. When he's finished, he'll want to read his book to you. Then he'll want to take it home, so he'll put it in your lunchbox and tuck it in a safe place. When the bell rings, he'll run out to wait for the bus. While he's waiting, he'll play a quick game of soccer. Then he'll ask you to shoot a few baskets and do a little skateboarding. When he stops to catch his breath, he'll want to eat his snack. So he'll ask you for your lunchbox. And chances are, if he asks you for your lunchbox, you'll have to take him back to school.
Let's turn around. Driving is fun. We're on our way home. Tick-tock, it's 1 o'clock. It's time to go visit your friend. Almost there. Traffic report. The road ahead is very busy. Is it sunny? Let's go for a ride. Driving is fun. Warming up. Cooling down. Driving is fun. Let's park.
Goes around and around and around.
a little school bus. I'm a little school bus. My driver's name is Bob. Rumbling, shifting, clunking, we like to do our job. I'm a little school bus, waking up at 5. Driver Bob drinks coffee, then we start to drive. I'm a little school bus, moving fast and slow, bouncing, turning, thumping, always on the go. I'm a little school bus, sticking out my sign, picking up my children as they stand in line. I'm a little school bus, waiting by the walk. Boys and girls climb on, sit and laugh and talk. I'm a little school bus, giving Kate a ride, letting down my platform so she can wheel inside. I'm a little school bus, going round a bend. No hands out the windows, says driver Bob, my friend. I'm a little school bus, heading for my spot. Slowing, braking, idling in the parking lot. I'm a little school bus, staying home today. Snow and ice, ice and snow, keep driver Bob away. I'm a little school bus, turning near the guard. Time to get a tune-up, we pull into the yard. I'm a little school bus, tail lights being fixed. Creaky doors been oiled, no more dents and nicks. I'm a little school bus, I jostle, thump, and sway. Picking up, dropping off, I love my job, hooray!
Friends, thank you for coming to join me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more. And share the video with some of your friends who you think might like it. Thank you again. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.